Oh, dang.
13 big bears and one snow bunny smashing in a little house.
Oh, it's headed right towards me.
Ray, Brandon.
Tiny little speck.